Join me as I dive into the debate and challenge myself to find out whether specializing or generalizing is the best approach in digital marketing. In today's digital landscape, marketers are constantly faced with the decision of whether to specialize in a specific area or take a more general approach. And it's a question that's more relevant than ever as the world of digital marketing continues to evolve and grow. Many marketers struggle with this dilemma, unsure of which path to take. Do I put all my eggs in one basket and become an expert in one area, or do I try to be a jack of all trades and cover all my bases? For those who are just starting out in digital marketing, the choice between specializing and generalizing can be overwhelming. There are so many different areas to focus on, from social media management to SEO, content creation to email marketing. It's hard to know where to start, let alone whether to specialize in one area or try to master them all. Ultimately, the decision between specializing and generalizing comes down to individual goals and priorities. Are you looking to become an expert in one specific area? Or do you want to have a broad range of skills to offer clients or customers? On the one hand, specializing can bring a level of expertise that's unmatched by those who take a more general approach. When you focus on one area, you can dive deeper and gain a level of knowledge that sets you apart from others. Plus, it's often easier to market yourself as a specialist, as you can clearly define your area of expertise and attract clients who are looking for those specific skills. On the other hand, generalizing can bring a level of flexibility that's hard to come by when you're tied to one specific area. When you have a broad range of skills, you can adapt to changing circumstances and apply your knowledge in a variety of contexts. Plus, you're not limited to one specific area, so you can take on a wider range of projects and clients. Industry experts agree that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to digital marketing. Some swear by specializing, while others advocate for a more general approach. For example, a social media specialist might focus on creating engaging content and growing followers, while a digital marketing generalist might take a more holistic approach, incorporating social media into a broader marketing strategy. According to Jay Sheth, a digital marketing expert, when you specialize, you're able to dive deeper and provide more value to your clients. But when you generalize, you're able to see the big picture and connect the dots between different areas of marketing. Ultimately, the key is to know when to specialize and when to generalize. If you're just starting out, it might make sense to generalize and get a feel for different areas of digital marketing. But as you gain more experience and develop your skills, you might find that specializing in one area allows you to stand out and achieve greater success. In conclusion, both specializing and generalizing have their merits in digital marketing, and the best approach will depend on individual goals and priorities. Whether you're a specialist or a generalist, the key is to stay flexible, keep learning, and always be open to new approaches and ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on this debate. Do you think specializing or generalizing is the best approach in digital marketing? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video for more marketing insights and tips.